Hello everyone! Today we are diving into the fascinating world of physical and chemical changes. Picture this, an ice cube melting on a hot summer's day. That's a physical change. Now imagine the smoky glow of a campfire, the wood crackling and changing to ash. That's a chemical change. The difference lies in the fact that physical changes can be reversed, while chemical changes create new substances. Physical and chemical changes are happening all around us, every day. Now let's delve deeper into some specific chemical reactions we encounter in our daily lives. Scene script. From the moment we wake up, we are surrounded by chemical reactions. Imagine you're stretching, yawning, and basking in the morning sunlight. Not just a feel-good moment, but a complex chemical dance is happening right there. That's photosynthesis for you. Plants around you are transforming sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen. It's a splendid chemical reaction that's
जीवन अनमोल है, खुशियाँ बांटे, अच्छा रोल है। कल को आसान बनाने के लिए आज आपको कड़ी मेहनत करनी ही पड़ेगी।
Sustains life on Earth. Now let's take a look inside your body. You had your breakfast, right? Your body is now breaking down the food, converting proteins into amino acids, carbohydrates into glucose. This is digestion, another fascinating example of a chemical reaction that happens right within us, every day. And what about your commute to work or school? Whether you're biking, driving, or taking the bus, you're relying on combustion, a chemical reaction that occurs when fuel burns in the presence of oxygen, releasing energy that powers your vehicle. From the sun-soaked leaves to the food in your stomach, from the fuel in your car to the very air you breathe, chemical reactions are happening all around us, every moment of every day. As we can see, chemical reactions are integral to our daily lives, but not all chemical reactions are beneficial. Let's take a look at one such example, rusting. Rusting, a common issue we face with iron objects, is also a result of a chemical reaction. This process, known as oxidation, occurs when iron reacts with oxygen in the presence of water or moisture in the air. The result is a flaky, reddish-brown substance called iron oxide, or as we commonly know it, rust. Not only does rust spoil the appearance of iron objects, but it also weakens them. The iron oxide formed is larger in volume than the original iron, causing the metal to expand and flake away. Over time, this can lead to significant damage, and in the case of structures like bridges or buildings, it can even pose a safety risk. That's why rusting is considered a problem. But here's the good news. Rusting can be prevented. One way to do this is by painting iron surfaces. The paint forms a barrier that prevents oxygen and moisture from coming into contact with the iron. Another method is oiling or greasing. Like paint, oil or grease forms a protective layer over the iron, keeping it safe from the elements. A third method is galvanization. This involves coating the iron with a layer of zinc. The zinc reacts with oxygen before the iron does, preventing rust. With a bit of care and prevention, we can protect our belongings from the damaging effects of rust. So, we've learned about physical and chemical changes, observed some everyday chemical reactions, and discovered how to prevent rusting. It's crucial to grasp these concepts not just for acing your science exams, but also for understanding the world around us. So keep exploring, keep learning. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. For further assistance, feel free to contact Students Care Center at 99990600986. Remember, knowledge is power. See you in our next video.